Is your Spectrum remote not working? The first things to check are the batteries. Open the battery compartment, typically on the back of the remote, and make sure the batteries are correctly inserted, paying attention to the positive plus and negative minus markings. Ideally, batteries should have 1.5 volts each. If not, replace them with new AA alkaline batteries. After replacing, test the remote by pointing it at your Spectrum cable box and pressing a button. If it still doesn't work, power cycle your cable box by unplugging it for 30 seconds, then plugging it back in. This resets the connection and often resolves basic issues. Also, make sure there are no obstacles blocking the remote's signal to the box. If new batteries and power cycling don't fix the problem, the issue might be with pairing or IR functionality. For pairing, especially with newer remotes, hold the OK and menu buttons simultaneously for 5 seconds to repair. If you have a Spectrum Guide remote introduced in 2023 or later, check if your cable box's Bluetooth is enabled via the Settings menu. Settings, Remote Control, Pair Remote. For IR-related problems, ensure there's a clear line of sight between the remote and the cable box. Clean the IR blaster, the small LED on the front of the remote, with a soft cloth to remove any dust. If sunlight is interfering, try dimming the room or using an IR extender. As a last resort for firmware issues, try factory resetting the remote or contacting Spectrum support for firmware updates, as these have been known to cause pairing glitches.